How's it going, everybody? It's another magical day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge Jambo House. Today we're staying in a deluxe studio Savanna view room up on the 5th floor. So we're going to do a room tour of that, so let's go check it out. And here we are at room 5429, so let's head inside. As we enter the room, as you can see, to the left we have a mirror. Hey! And to the right, we have a closet with an iron and ironing board. Plenty of storage space. The door entrance with the evacuation chart on the door. Next we have the kitchenette here. As you can see, we have a large fridge with plenty of storage space. Down here is your trash cans. Super awesome art on the wall right there. Sink, Joffrey's coffee pot, toaster, microwave, and DVC rooms come usually with some plates and utensils. From the kitchenette, we go over here into the double vanity here with your H2O facial soaps and body lotion. Love H2O products, they're my favorite. And then to the left we have the shower and toilet. You can see we have our towels and the best soaps in the world, H2O products. Love these, they smell delicious. Alright, well, and it is a tub. And now we're heading out to the main living area. As you can see, we have a queen size bed. It's soft pillow top, but it's very firm, so it's firmer than most beds I lay on. You can see we have some very nice art on the wall there, all over the place. Pull out couch turns into a bed, so it's sofa bed. Nice table, very good sized TV, and look, Disney's Animal Kingdom open until 7 p.m. tonight. We have a closet here, and extra. So here's your safe, your hair dryer, your extra pillows and blankets, hangers. That's nice to have. Plenty of drawer space. A little table where you can do some work, which I'll be editing my videos on. Lamps. There's a lot of lamps in here. Again, very nice art. But this is a Savanna view room, so let's go outside. And move that out of the way. Open the door. Come out. We got a chair, a table, and a chair right behind me. Plenty of space. Let's see what we got for animals out here. Doesn't look like we have any in view at the current moment. I do know they were moving around earlier. There might be some over there. But this is going to be our view. The main lobby, where we started the video, is right in there. Okay, I found an animal. A large pelican over there. But that's about it for the moment. Wonderful view. You can see all the different Savanna rooms they have all over the place. It's a very nice resort. Already been here for a couple hours. Enjoying it. Last couple things. You got your outlets here and outlets there, USB and standard. And over at the bed, you have the same outlet right there. More outlets here. Cleaned remote. And a very wonderful room to stay in. Lots of room. Definitely going to enjoy it with the kids and the wife. So I hope this video was very informative for you and you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to enjoy staying here for the next 2 days. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we got a lot more videos and room tours coming in the future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.